In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to record your screen using CapCut. Let's get started. First, make sure you have stable internet connection. Now open any of your web browser. In the search bar, type in capcut.com/login. Use any of these options given over here and sign up for CapCut. Once logged in, you will be directed to this page. Now here you're going to find the option of create. Click on that. Now select a canvas ratio for your project. You can choose one immediately or change it from the top left panel. Now at the left hand side, you're going to find a different icon. Find the record icon. Click it. You will now see record entire screen along with options to record a specific window or a browser tab. Before you begin, your browser may ask you to allow screen recording permissions for CapCut. Make sure you click allow so the tool can capture your screen. Finally, click share on the right side to start recording. CapCut will begin capturing your entire screen or the selected window. When you are done, stop the recording and edit your video right inside CapCut's editor. That's all it takes to record your screen using CapCut. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.